Alright, this is what the bad boy sounds like. I got it on eBay right now. Fly likes it on here. Oh, I was going to show you a little. Some idiot tried to touch this up with some crappy paint. Sure sounds nice though. Need a little bit stronger springs on that hood. Sorry the video is so fast, it's just I don't know how much memory my phone has. Like I said, it's on eBay right now.